What's the meaning of business park? Business park. Business park.
Business park. Business park. A business park is a planned development designed to provide an appropriate environment for businesses to operate in. It typically consists of a cluster of buildings, usually modern and purpose-built, with a range of facilities such as offices, retail outlets, conference rooms, and warehouses. The park is often situated on the outskirts of towns or cities to provide easy access and ample parking for employees and visitors. The emphasis is on creating a cohesive space that fosters innovation and collaboration among businesses. Business parks are often seen as a way of attracting new businesses to an area, creating jobs, and driving economic growth.